everyone, welcome to day 18 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas through the Missouri Star Quilt Company. My name is Chris O'Neill and I can't wait to see what is in package 18. I think yesterday I said it was an ornament or something like that, and I can't wait to open it. Before I do though, I did make the project from yesterday. I made the pin cushion and the clip holder. Oh my goodness, it was so much fun to make and so easy and just came together really quickly. So there is that. Okay, so let's open day 18 because I'm excited to see what it is. All right. Okay, what is this? A cupcake socks. Sweet treat for your feet. Okay, first of all, it's cute. Very, very cute. It looks like a cupcake. But really? Socks? I would have rather an ornament. But let's see. All right, so really? Okay, so they're all rolled up. They are really, really cute. They got pom-poms on them. They feel like they're knitted. Sweet treat for your feet. It's by Missouri Star Quilt Company, so it's not like somebody hand knitted them, which I couldn't imagine they did it anyway. All right. They're interesting. I'll let you know how they feel on my feet. It was packaged cute. It is a cute little gift, but again, I was hoping to get more sewing related items. I mean, that doesn't even have a sewing saying or anything on it, so that's a little bit disappointing. So let's see what we have. I think I have day 19 here. I do. Let's see, day 19. It's small, and if you remember our last small package, we had the pendant in it. This is not a pendant. It has two circles, and it feels like they're like double circles. So there's one on the front and one on the back, almost like magnets, maybe a needle minder or something like that. But I don't know why there'd be two. Very curious about this one. I can't wait to see what that is tomorrow. That should be interesting. Either way, we were at like my estimated totals at $197 and some odd cents, I believe. So, I mean, if the socks are a couple bucks, that puts us over 200. So that's pretty good considering how much I paid for this, which was $160. I'm feeling pretty good other than some of the gifts I wouldn't have gotten if, you know, I had the choice, but that's the way it goes. So let's move on to the Catringles template project where I was making the mini quilt out of the 12 days from Catringles and Carolina Moore. So this is the itty bitty template. It's a 1-inch square, and this is the little block I made. Now, I'm gonna just be honest and let you know that I did not use this template. There's no way I'm cutting this little guy out like this. So I used a ruler and I actually strip pieced this. So I cheated a little bit. To me, this is silly to have a template for this because you can just use your regular ruler to cut these out. But anyway, this is what we got today, and this is the little block we made. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 19 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, and I guess I'll try out my cupcake socks tonight, and I'll let you know what I think of these guys. They feel soft. Hopefully Daisy doesn't get a hold of these because she would love them. Anyway, have a great day and make sure you take some time to sew, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.